Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be filming my August perfume tray. So I already took everything out and I just need to give it a little cleaning. I love to bring you guys along to show you the perfumes I'm going to be wearing for the month of August. I'm still going to be picking out summer scents. I'm in Arizona. The heat here is actually probably the worst it has been. So I already decorated for fall in my house, but there is nothing fall going on here. So we can't play with those yet. So I will be enjoying another month of very tropical, fresh, easy to wear perfumes. We have some new ones that I have never had in my collection. We have some that I brought back. So this tray is going to be a lot of fun, and these are the scents that I'm going to be wearing all month and talking about and picking which ones are my favorites, which ones didn't work out. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Guys, so I cleared everything off of the tray. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little wipe down, and we're going to get right into the perfumes that I'm going to be wearing this month. By the way, sorry if my nails or my hands, I'm not sure how they're going to look, but if they look a little bit on the dry side or anything, I just put on some press on nails. And little tip for you guys, because I have been wearing them for years, when you put on press on nails, make sure that you use alcohol on your nail bed. Use a little buffer to remove any shine. Stick the nails on and do not use oil, lotions, wet them. Keep your hands dry for at least an hour, because before I used to put oil on my cuticle to make them look nice and not dry, and then they would be popping off in like 4 days because of that, and I didn't know what it was until I read online. So just a little tip in case you didn't know. Alright, so let's start off by adding the new perfumes that I did a haul on recently. Fragrances that have joined my collection, ones that I'm trying out again. I'm gonna put those first. So of course, we're going to be starting off with JLo Miami Glow, which I talked about in the haul. I want to try this out and see if it works out for me here. Sometimes this is a yes, sometimes it's a no. I feel like it's more of the chemistry that it has with my skin that might not work, but last time I tried it, it was way better. This is a very like beachy, bronzy. I pick up a lot of like, I don't remember if it was grapefruit in here, something that's a little bit citrusy. I pick up a lot of that in here. So I'm gonna see how this works out for me this month. Next up, I'm going to be adding my dupe for Ocean di Gioia from Giorgio Armani. This is Spa Day, and a lot of you guys in the comment section of my haul video let me know that there's a bunch of these at TJ Maxx. So that is where you'll be able to find them. This is not an exact dupe. This is missing the pear, but it will do, and it smells really nice, fresh, aquatic, kind of like salty. Same vibes as Ocean di Gioia, just without the pear. Next up, I'm going to be adding Versace Dylan Blue. This is a apple scent, and I'm very excited to wear it. I know my mom had this for a while, so I've never had it in my collection. It's a very fresh, clean, shampoo-y type of perfume, and that's exactly what I'm looking for right now. Up next, this one was so nice when I smelled it. I think it smelled really nice outside too, but I really have to do the testing this month. So this one has never been in my collection. This is by Roberto Cavalli, and this is Paradiso Azzurro, which I believe, I don't remember if this one had neroli or something like that. This one smells more like beachy, floral, aquatic. All right, next up, I'm also going to be adding another one from the haul. I'm going to be adding DKNY Be Delicious, another apple scent. So very excited to try these out and see which ones become favorites for me. I recently received this fragrance from Pacifica. It is Strawberry Cream. I was not a fan of the body mist, I think it was, and I gave it to my daughters, but the perfume was a little different. So I want to try it out and see what I think of it. Next up, I'm going to be adding Josie Maran Golden Hour Body Mist. I have used Vanilla Vibes before, but they sent this over and I really like the scent of it, and I feel like it's really nice for end of summer. This is like a mist, so this is going to be for maybe when I go to the gym, get home from the gym, bedtime, throughout the day as well. This is really nice and it moisturizes the skin as well. I'm also going to be adding my Noise Milk de Parfum Only Human. I'm also going to add my travel size because I haven't used this scent in a while, and I really love this, and I love the combo. It lasts a long time for me. It's easy to wear. It's such a nice scent, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna work out for me during summer as well. So here's the travel size. I probably only have a few uses left, so I might have to pick up the full bottle of this depending on how it wears this month. just to make sure that I'm really, really in love with this. But I loved it all of the times that I have used it before. All right, I'm going to be adding 3 travel size perfumes, and I'm also going to be adding these Rare Beauty fragrance layering balms. I've only used these a few times and they've kind of just been sitting there. So I want to play with these this month. And these are the travel sizes I'm going to be adding. So the Rare Beauty to layer with these to see how they work together. The Clean Reserve Sun-Kissed Papaya, which I just got in a Sephora haul. Very tropical. And then I have this My Way perfume, which I haven't used, I think, in so long. I think since I was in Puerto Rico, I haven't really talked about My Way. So I kind of want to revisit it and see how it smells here. And by the way, My Way is a very heavy tuberose perfume, but it's super girly from what I remember. And I hope that it's something that I can wear here. I'm going to add some fragrance mist because I have really been using fragrance mist since I moved here. I've never really been a fragrance mist girl. I was more of a perfume girl that layered with fragrance mist, but here sometimes certain fragrance mists perform amazing and I can enjoy them because they're not as heavy on a super hot dry day. So I am going to be adding 2 from Bath and Body Works. One of them I used many times before, which is Lovely Dreamer, but tell me why I have not used this fresh musk since I got it. It has notes of crisp bergamot, creamy musk, and sheer woods. I'm also going to be adding these 2 body mists that I really enjoyed in the beginning of summer, and they definitely need to get loved some more before fall vibes comes around. So we have Fenty Skin Body Tropic Trip and Fleur Island Swim. All right, to finish off the tray, I'm going to add some products that I have already used that I know I love, and I just want to give them some more love before summer is over. So first off, I'm going to add the Valentino Fragrance Mist, and this one is called Golden Coconut. I was addicted to this. I believe, I don't remember if it was last month or the one before that, but oh my God, I love it. It has a nice dent from when I used it, and they last a really good amount of time, surprisingly. So I have really been enjoying them. I'm also going to be adding Ellis Brooklyn Sunfruit. This is such a summer must-have, and every time I wear it I get compliments. My daughters came in my room the other day and were smelling all of my perfumes and they went crazy over Sunfruit. So it just made me want to bring it back out again. Next up, I'm also going to be adding Salt and Stone, and this one is their summer release. This one is Lily and Yuzu. I raved about this one as well, so I'm definitely going to be wearing this one. And I still have some of the body wash in my shower as well. If you love Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, or you want something that kind of gives off those vibes, I feel like I smell more of, I believe it was like the bergamot in here or something that gave me like a greenish. It's as if the leaves were involved somehow. I don't know, it just smells more realistic, if that makes any sense. Next up, we're adding L'Or Sublimity for that beach day salty skin. Just love it so much. But we're also going to be adding the layering combo that I went crazy over, Le Monde Gourmand Lait de Coco. This is literally, if this was missing anything, because I already love it the way it is, but sometimes I do love like a creamy, smooth touch to a perfume, and the coconut milk feeling, it just goes. These 2 are so good together. All right, last 2 perfumes and we're done. So I'm going to add kind of like a clean feeling perfume for those days where I'm just not in the mood. Maybe I'm PMSing. And when I'm in those days, I prefer to smell very, very clean, a little powdery. I don't want nothing too floral, too gourmand. Nothing like that. So I like to keep that in mind and have some fresh, clean scents every month. So this month I'm going with my Highs and Lows from Diad. I love it so much. We have a really nice dent in this one. Every time I use this perfume, I fall in love all over again. And last but not least, our mermaid perfume to finish summer off. Even though I'm sure in September I'm gonna need some freshies too, because it's still not gonna be anywhere near fall. But we're going to be adding MAC Turquoise. You have to have this perfume for summer if you love those mermaid, salty, beachy, a little woody vibes. One of my all-time favorite perfumes. All right, so we got a packed house this month, but a lot of these I already know I love. We have some new ones we're gonna be talking about. I'm so excited for another month with you guys. I take my content so serious and I give my all into it. It's a hobby, it's a passion, it's my full-time job now. but the passion for it is still there. And I love testing everything out and reporting back to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being here with me, for spending girl time with me. Comment down below. Let me know if you have any of these fragrances, which ones are your favorites, which ones didn't work out for you. Let us know all the details, all the tea. And with that said, thank you so much for being here. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one.